Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the next topic of this chapter, that is cell membrane. Okay, and other name of cell membranes are, it is also known as cytoplasmic membrane because it covers the cytoplasmic contents. Second name, it is also known as biomembrane. Third, cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. And fourth one is plasma lemma. Okay, discovery of cell membrane. Cell membrane discovered by T. Swan, scientist. Okay, and cell membrane term given by two scientists, C. Nageli and Kromer. Okay, definition of cell membrane given by Nageli and Kromer scientist. Plasma lemma term given by Plough scientist. Okay, Plough scientist give the term plasma lemma. So, what is the definition of cell membrane? It is ultra thin, elastic, living, transparent, selectively permeable, means differentially. Selective permeable means selection of selective molecules between two cells. Okay, now important point about cell membrane, it is universal membrane, means it is found in all living organisms, bacteria too, higher organisms. And in all organisms, structure of cell membrane is similar. Okay. Next point. Cell membrane is essential for all cell because it is living. It is found in all type of cell organization. Okay. It is outermost covering of protoplast cell. Protoplast cell means without cell wall. After remove of cell wall in the plant cell, only cell membrane remain. Now composition of cell membrane. What is the composition of cell membrane? Firstly, we take the average composition of cell, but it vary in every cell. Most of composition is same. Cell membrane is composed three molecules: lipid, protein, and some amount of carbohydrate. It means it is composed of carbohydrate, protein, and lipids. In this, main component of cell membrane is lipid. Okay, but major component of cell membrane is protein. Okay. Generally, we say that composition of cell membrane is phospholipid. It means cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. Because major constituent part of protein and lipid is present. And phospholipid is the main constituent component of cell membrane. Okay. Let's see. Average composition of cell membrane. Generally, in cell, amount of lipid is 58 to 59%. Amount of protein is 40%, and amount of carbohydrate is 1 to 2%. Okay. In lipids, phospholipid. Phospholipid is the conjugated protein because in this phosphorus element and lipid both are bind each other. Okay. Comma. Cholesterol. It is found in cell membrane and also synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And glycolipid. Glycolipid, it is made up of glucose plus lipid. It means carbohydrate bind with lipid, then lipid called is glycolipid. In this, amount of suffix is more compared to prefix. So in this, concentration of glucose is less but concentration of lipid is more. Like this, in phospholipid, phosphorus is prefix but its concentration is less compared to lipid. Okay. So lipid, protein and carbohydrates are the composition of cell membrane, and lipid have 58 to 59, approximately 60%, protein 40% and carbohydrate 1% part. Next point. Ultrastructure of cell membrane. Ultrastructure study of cell membrane was seen after the discovery of electron microscope. Before this, ultrastructure of cell membrane cannot possible. Okay. So इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप की डिस्कवरी होने के बाद ही सेल मेम्ब्रेन की 3D स्ट्रक्चर देखी गई। इससे पहले नॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर ही देखी जाती थी। अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स 3D, ओके, 3 डायमेंशन स्ट्रक्चर। इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप हैव more magnification power. So in this, human erythrocytes or red blood corpuscles used firstly first example to study of ultrastructure of cell membrane taken RBC or human erythrocyte. Okay. Composition of RBC is lipid 52%, protein 40% and carbohydrate 8%. So this data represent the composition of red blood corpuscles. For experimentally RBC put down in hypotonic solution. Hypotonic solution means there are 3 types of solution: hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic. Isotonic solution have equal concentration inner side and outer side. Hypotonic solution and hypertonic solutions are made up of on the basis of concentration in 2 medium. Okay? Outer side medium have more solute and less water, then solution is hypertonic, and out solution have less solute and more water, then solution is hypertonic. Then resultant brushstroke RBC, because water molecules move to RBC, inside in RBC, then RBC rupture and hemoglobin get separated from RBC and become the host of RBC cells. Okay.